Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be showing you how to make your character jump in Scratch. At the end of this video, just this one video, you'll be able to know with confidence how to make your Scratch sprite jump. So let's get into it. So what you want to do first is take out a change y by 10 block. Then another change y by 10 block. Then two repeat blocks and one space key block. Now we're gonna build it together like Lego. Get the repeat block and put it on the one space key press block. Change y by 10. Put it inside the first repeat block. Change y by 10. The second block, you want to change y by -10. Then put the other repeat block on the repeat block with change y by 10. Then put the change y by -10 inside the second repeat by 10 block. Now you have a jumping script. I hope you enjoyed this video and can now show off this to your friends and family. If you had fun watching my video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking and hitting the bell so you don't miss these videos anymore, and so other people can see these Scratch videos that I create so they can get better. Keep on scratching, friends.